Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Tamia. And for those of you who are coming back, thank you and welcome back. I'm going to start with my eyebrows today, and we're going to go in with Furrowcious Dark Brown Pencil by the Balm. I don't know if you can see it. And I think I'm out of it. I gotta get my other one. This is what I've been using on my brows lately. When you guys ask, like, yo, how did you do your brows? This is what I'm using. And I simply start with a line at the bottom. Brush down and do a line at the top. And then I go in and fill in with strokes moving upward in the direction of my hair. Now I'm going to go in and clean them up. So from there, I'm going to do my eyes. First, I'm going to conceal them. I'm going to go in with my Smashbox NudiePic Medium. I'm going to go in there. I'm going to go with Lock and Key from Dose of Colors. It's from their Block Party collection. This is what it looks like. I'm going to apply this right on my lid. That's so pretty. And I went about 3/4 of the way out on my lid. I'm gonna go with my Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. I'm gonna go in with this brown. And this is gonna go right in the outside corner of my lid. For now, that is going to be my eye. I'm going to go in with, I'm going to start my skin. I'm going to go with Covergirl's TruBlend Matte Made Foundation. My color is D30. And I love how it comes in this easy pump. You can turn it to open it. And I've worn this before, so I'm going to tell you guys that I use a beauty blender to get it in there, to stipple it. With a brush, it's very light to medium coverage. Therefore, depending on what my skin looks like, I want to have more coverage. So using a sponge allows me to do that. So I'm going to use a sponge for you today. And I'm going to apply the foundation until I feel like I have a good enough layer on. This comes in 40 colors, so you should be able to find a match for you. But I can say I did wear this out to an event the other night, and it was outside. It was in the Miami heat and humidity. And when I tell you, my skin was still matte, and I have very oily skin. So I was very surprised that my skin was completely matte by the end of the night, even though I was in a very moist, humid area. I'm gonna go in now with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Armande. Take my wet beauty blender again and just pat that into my skin, stipple it into my skin with stippling motions. Apply my Ben Nye banana powder only under my eyes. Mind you, my beauty blender is still wet. I said only under my eyes, but I'm applying it where I put my concealer. So anywhere I put my concealer, or anywhere that I feel like I get oily the fastest or the most, which is obviously where I put it, right about here, under my nose and these little pockets right here. MAC Blot Pressed Powder, and this is in dark. And I'm gonna apply this on the remainder of my face. I'm gonna go in with this Pure palette, and I'm gonna use Motivation here for my contour. This is gonna give me more of a bronzed, beachy glow. And nicely contoured. Where to now? Oh, so I wanted to go in and add some fun. I'm going to use Leave Me Alone from the Dose of Colors Block Party collection. And that looks like this. It's so pretty. I think we can have some fun with this one. Take a brush like this. I don't know if this is tough enough for it not to get messy, but we're going to try it and see. It's doing good so far. There's no fall off, so. With this Beauty For Real black eyeliner. I'm gonna go in with Dose of Colors Shady. It is a black matte liner. Want a little blush, we're going to use Fiery Impact by MAC. Just a little bit of this. For my highlight, I'm going to use the Smashbox Petal Metal. I'm going to roll with this thing. It is divine. I love it. So pretty. I'm using Superfan by Smashbox. And now for my winning lip combo, I'm going to use Urban Decay 1993 Comfort Matte. I'm using Covergirl Queen Collection Cakewalk and NYX lip liner in Y2K. It's a dark brown color. So let's get that started. I usually go with my lipstick first. So this is the color. Because 2 is not enough, we're going to go in with Queen Collection Cakewalk. So this is the final look. If you guys enjoyed this video, then of course subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you guys want to see more of. I know this is a fun kind of eye. It's not really every day, but it's something new to do. Add a little color to your life. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.